Hello guys, today I'm gonna show quick test start motor with a coin. This car's no start condition. Driver tried to start with battery charger, no start, and then that's why I told in here. I boosted it with a big amps booster pack, still no start. I quick check battery power with my voltage meter, and then I saw that 11.8 volt. It's not much higher, but it should rotate the engine. And then I checked battery power on the solenoid wire connection in start motor. It shows same voltage as the battery power. This nickel wire directly coming from the battery, and then battery voltage ready to start when ignition switch rotate start. I'm using quick test start motor using this short wire kit I made. One end attached the start motor B terminal. B terminal means power from the B as the B battery B, and then other end attached to the ST start motor control circuit. You guys see that amps arcing and then nothing hear any sound, no any clicking sound. That means internal start motor solenoid siege and then start motor problem. We this need a start motor, but just in case, and then temporary fixing and then tapping the start motor case and the solenoid body, and then now retest. You guys see that starter motor starting, and then the vehicle engine, car engine is running. I tried to the inside cabin, and then engine is starting fine because it's getting old. In the middle, it start solenoid and then internal start, and then sticking and seizing. So I'm gonna show today. You don't have any special tool and wire and then even circuit tester, and then using this coin, $1 coin, attach the B terminal and ST terminal. You guys see that the two terminals, attach it, and it's starting fine. You don't have a special tool, just reading the $1 coin, and attach it carefully. Do not touch any other shaft, and then touch the B and ST, and then you stop. This one is my F-150. Most of F-150 start motor location is a passenger under the truck. Look at that. I showing that this start motor. I using this $1 coin. It's the same thing. I attach the B terminal and ST terminal. You guys see that? The start motor is working. Thank you for watching.